Have you ever felt frustrated while trying to learn something new? You spend hours studying, but nothing seems to stick. You read, you take notes, but when you need to recall the information, your mind goes blank. What if I told you that the problem isn't you, it's how you're learning? The truth is, most of us were never taught how to learn. We memorize, we cram, and we struggle. But there's a better way. Today, I'll show you how to learn smarter, not harder. The learning myth: why we struggle. Most people believe that learning is about intelligence, that some people are just born smarter. But that's not true. Science has proven that learning is a skill, and like any skill, it can be improved with the right techniques. The difference between someone who learns quickly and someone who struggles isn't their IQ, it's their method. Think about it, we live in an age where information is everywhere. You can Google any answer, watch any tutorial, or read any book. But if you don't know how to absorb and apply what you learn, knowledge becomes useless. So, let's break down how learning actually works, and how you can use this knowledge to become a master learner. Step 1. Active learning versus passive learning. Most people try to learn passively. They read a textbook, watch a lecture, or listen to a podcast, but they don't actively engage with the material. Passive learning doesn't work. Studies show that we forget almost 50% of what we learn within an hour unless we actively reinforce it. So, what's the solution? Active learning. Small blue diamond: instead of just reading, take notes in your own words. Small blue diamond: instead of just listening, ask questions and summarize what you learned. Small blue diamond: instead of memorizing facts, teach someone else, it forces you to truly understand. When you interact with the information, your brain processes it on a deeper level. Step 2. The power of spaced repetition. Have you ever crammed for an exam and forgotten everything the next day? That's because your brain needs time to store information. The best way to remember something long-term is through spaced repetition. Here's how it works. White tick mark: review what you learn after 1 day. White tick mark: review it again after 1 week. White tick mark: then, review it after 1 month. Each time you revisit the information, your brain strengthens its connections, so you never forget. Use tools like flashcards or apps like Anki to space out your practice. Step 3. The Feynman Technique. Teach to learn. Richard Feynman, a Nobel-winning physicist, had a simple rule: if you can't explain something in simple terms, you don't understand it. Here's how to use the Feynman Technique. 1. Choose a concept you want to learn. 2. Explain it as if you were teaching a child. 3. Identify the gaps in your knowledge. 4. Go back, refine, and simplify it further. When you teach, you force your brain to break things down, making learning faster and deeper. Step 4. The role of sleep in learning. Most people don't realize that sleep is crucial for memory. When you sleep, your brain organizes and strengthens memories. If you don't sleep well, your brain won't retain information. So, if you want to learn better, black tick mark: get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Black tick mark: avoid screens before bed, blue light disrupts memory formation. Black tick mark: take short naps after intense learning sessions, even a 20-minute nap improves recall. Step 5. Learn by doing. The best way to learn is to apply knowledge immediately. Want to learn a language? Start speaking from day 1. Want to code? Build projects instead of just watching tutorials. Want to improve memory? Practice recalling what you've learned without looking at notes. Your brain learns best through real-world application. Step 6, Mindset, Why Belief Matters. Here's the final secret: your mindset controls your ability to learn. Carol Dweck, a psychologist, discovered that people with a growth mindset, who believe intelligence can be improved, learn faster than those who think intelligence is fixed. If you tell yourself, "I'm bad at math," or "I'm not smart enough," you create a mental block. But if you tell yourself, "I can get better with practice," your brain starts rewiring itself for growth. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: small blue diamond, learning is a skill. Small blue diamond, the right methods make all the difference. Small blue diamond, anyone can improve, including you. So, the next time you struggle to learn, don't give up. Instead, change your approach. Learn smarter, and you'll achieve more than you ever imagined. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below, what's one thing you want to learn? Let's grow together. Rock it, see you in the next video.